Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I did this look which I am loving, and one of my friends have requested me to make a red glitter smoky eye look before this Valentine's Day, and that's why I have created this. So let's get started. I'm starting my makeup with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm blending it well to make the base of my eyeshadow. And now I am taking this Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline New York. And now I have taken a liner brush and I have starting making a line starting from my inner corner and taking it to the outer corner of my eye following the crease line. And I am also blocking the outer corner of my eye on parallel with the tape I have fixed. And now I have taken this fluffy brush and I am taking this deep brown color from my MAC palette. I have started applying the color from the outer corner of my eye using that brush. And first I am pressing the color on my outer corner, and then gently I am dragging the color towards my inner corner following the crease line. And I am mixing the dark eyeshadow with the liner line I have created. And now I am taking the light brown color which is from the also from the same palette. With the same brush I have taken that color and I have started blending the color with the previous eyeshadow I have already applied. And again I have taken the dark eyeshadow and I have started applying it from the outer corner of my eye, and again I am following the same process. I am dabbing the color on the outer corner and then I am gently taking the color towards my inner corner. And now I have taken the liner once again and I am putting it on the outer corner of my eye. Actually what I am trying to do, as this is a smoky eye look, I am trying to blend everything, the liner, the dark shadow and the lighter shadow, everything, and that's why I am following the process again and again to give it a smooth transition look. And just I have said I am doing the same thing again. I have taken the dark shadow once again and I am applying it from the outer corner and taking it to the inner corner. And now I am taking this matte orange color from pack and the number is 8. I have taken that color and I have started applying the color from the outer corner, and I am using it as the main transition color of this look, and I have started blending it. I am pressing the color and dragging the color towards my inner corner. Again I have taken the dark shadow color and again I am applying it on my crease line and blending it with the transition color. Now I am taking my kajal, and this is Maybelline Super Black Kajal. I am applying the kajal on my upper lash line, but I am not creating any wing. And now I am blending the kajal with my fingertip, as I do not want to keep any harsh line of the kajal. And this is a stick eyeshadow which is from NYX and the number is 619. And now I am applying the shimmery maroon color on the empty space on my lid which I had left. And now I have taken the dark shadow and I am mixing that dark shadow with the maroon color I have just applied. And now I am applying a glitter glue on my lid and with my fingertips, and I want the maximum intensity of the glitter on my inner corner and I want it to fade it out. I want to decrease the intensity towards my outer corner. And that's why I'm applying the maximum glue on my inner corner and then I'm just dabbing it to the outer corner. And now I'm taking this maroon glitter with a thin flat brush. I have started taking the glitter and applying it on my lid. First I'm applying it on my inner corner and then slowly I am dragging it to the outer corner. Apply the glitter carefully. Take your time and press it on your lid. If you feel that the glue is drying up, then you can apply a little bit more glue on the space you want, and then again start to apply the glitter. And now I am having glitter on all over my face. I don't know you can see it or not. I have taken a piece of tape, and with the help of it I am taking out all the extra glitters I am having on my face. Now I have started applying my eyeliner, and this is a liquid eyeliner from Lakme, and I am giving it a winged look. Now I am taking this bright golden color from the same MAC palette, and I am going to highlight my brow bone with the help of it, and also I am going to use it to highlight my inner corner. And now I am applying my kajal, the same kajal I have applied before. I have taken the same NYX eyeshadow, which is of maroon color, and applying it beneath my lower lash line under the kajal I have applied. And now I am taking this pointed brush, and with the same bright gold color I am highlighting my inner corner. I am applying Lakme Iconic Mascara. So this is what I come up with today. Like my video, and if you try it on yourself, please send me your photos. If you have any request or if you have any suggestion, also please let me know. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my so this is what I come up with for today. So this is what I come up it, and I'm loving it. I তুমি এখানে এসে কেন দাঁড়িয়ে আছো? না না তুমি যাও।